So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon high-input water heater. So this is for hot water to the home, and then of course next to it is the furnace. So this takes it up, I believe, across a heat exchanger and a pump, and provides hot water to the home as well. Anyways, so cold water up here. What we did is we give you a new shutoff valve. Watts 3/4 inch full port, quarter turn shutoff valve. So these guys just quarter turn off, quarter turn on. That provides water to the unit. And then a brass nipple Falcon stainless steel connector down to a 304 stainless steel 90. And so that's tied in nice and good. Over here we give you a new Falcon stainless steel connector down to another 304 stainless steel 90. So that's good. Brand new vent pipe going up into the ceiling. That's your existing ceiling bucket. That's not ours. This is our pipe and a couple of adjustable fittings that didn't quite line up to the center. Draft diverter came with the unit. Up at the top you've got the relief valve that comes with the unit pre-installed. And so what we did with the relief line, before it was just a line that was sitting next to the wall, kind of moving over against this furnace, and it was hidden back there in the back. So what we did, and you can't see back there, but we took down here, we took 3/4 adapter, brass adapter, and then of course a 304 stainless steel 90. We pointed it up, ran some copper up, and ran the relief line up to here. You can see it right there. So now your connection is out here instead of behind the water heater, and then up to the relief valve. So that's good. Adjustable strap upper third, adjustable strap lower third. Answer your phone. Sorry about that. And then down here we offset your gas valve because it's coming out of the wall. It's pointing right at the controller, so we just put a 90 in here, a valve, and then a brand new gas connector there. As a point of courtesy, we did just a little cap here on the drain valve. Don't need it, but because it's off. But and that was on your old unit, so we put that back on. Up here, space heating, brass coming out, brass 90, brass down, brass shutoff valve, brass check valve, and then we switched to copper here. It's just an adapter for press copper, and so copper all the way down, hard copper to about here somewhere. This is a flexible supply line. What you had on before was copper, now it's stainless steel. It's a larger diameter pipe, and so that comes over here flexible, and this is rigid pipe right here. Down at the bottom, same thing, brass, 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 brass. And then right there, an adapter again, so, and then copper down to here, copper stepping back out, and then another flexible connector. You can see some of the chrome sitting right in there. That's the chrome nut where it ties in. Anyways, that's all tied in. We don't do space heating, we don't do furnace work. We did do the connections to here, but as far as how this is supposed to get started up, we have no idea. We're not mechanical contractors. We're plumbers. Some companies, they actually do plumbing and mechanical. We don't. We have one license, and it's for plumbing only. Mechanical's another license altogether. But water heater's full. All the air is bled out. We're going to light it here just a minute and get this going. Outside of that, this installation is done.